Was mit dir, Alter?
Was ist los mit dir, Mann?
Klar, Alter?
Was ist los mit dir?
Ey, das ist unsere Wand. Du machst über meinen Piece in meinen Tuschkasten und verpiss dich, Alter.
Alter, dein Piece ist gecrossed, Mann.
Was gecrossed, Mann? Ich hab 15 Kamm da reingebuttert, du Missgeburt, Alter.
Los, chill, komm runter und verpiss dich.
Ey, hör mal zu, das ist unsere Wand, mein Piece. Ich mach 15 Kamm von dir. Lass mich nicht ab. Was?
Hey,
Mach das noch einmal.
Okay.
Komm her, Mann.
Komm runter, komm runter. Was soll das?
Was machst du hier, ey? Was hängst du mit diesen Flachwichsern rum, ey?
Kann abhängen, mit wem ich will, okay? Weil wir einmal gefickt haben, denkst du, wir sind verheiratet oder was?
Einmal gefickt, ja?
Ja.
Du Hure.
Fick dich!
Fick dich, genau, fick dich, du Hulle. Alter, komm her, was willst du?
Komm her. Was willst du jetzt, hä? Du Hurensohn. Was machst du, hä? Was machst du? Deine Mutter, Alter.
Nichts machst du, Scheiß machst du.
Hey, Kino!
Deine Kleine zum Üben, du Toy. Lass rübergehen an die andere Wand. Scheiß auf Toy, Wand.
Hey, Mann!
Was ist los hier, hä?
Frag mich, guck mal, was los ist.
Lass mich! Sag mir nicht, was du das machst! Hä? Sag mir nicht, was du das machst! Tina.
Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Yeah. Throw up the set. Rainbows in strange form, menage ain't what best describe the collage. Pile on, it'll pile on. You gotta make it all mesh. The smell of the pain is so fresh. You must earn the title of a burner and not destroy what I build. Going over throw ups is not real. Urban tattoos from the book of Matthews. It was written, man, shallow, not by brand alone. Straight from the dome, spray paint poems, competing for that title of the urban Van Gogh. Who reigns supreme with the wall space? Full outlines give a sketch, now the body has a face. Take a step back, analyze what was fantasy in the mind for everyone's eyes now. Colors resemble candy, make the mouth water. Blue, red, whites and greens, fly color schemes. They consider this against the law, and they still won't acknowledge my craft, but they acknowledge rap and breakdance. And we all know it's one and the same. We all know it follows the same path. We all know it derived from one vein. But yet it's still a question remains. Calligraphy been here, though it's the last game. Color sprays like clips in a German Luger. Rubber gloves so the permanent ink, it won't sink. Up and down, back and forth like a bricklayer, spreading it on nice and thick, layer after layer. Check out the next man burn at the same time in his zone for my own preserve. I shake them hard like a dice game. Masterpiece starts to form, colors drip like ice cream. Doubles, triples, the paint can. You can never have enough, turn it art from a wasteland. Spectrums infect them, the textures connect. Defeat you might as well accept. Feast your eyes on 2020 relies on seeing the whole portrait painted by a guy's arm. I'm definitely high off the Krylon. Armed to the max with the cannons, my firearm. They consider this against the law, and they still won't acknowledge my craft, but they acknowledge rap and breakdance. And we all know it's one and the same. We all know it follows the same path. We all know it derived from one vein. But yet it's still a question remains. Calligraphy been here, though it's the last game. Psychedelic like acid pellets, fighting for the name to be king of the acrylic.